This video will demonstrate how to replace the lithium-ion cell inside of a Welch Allyn 719 series rechargeable handle. Welch Allyn sells this entire handle for about $220. This lithium cell can be bought on eBay for about $15. This UR611, that's the number you'll search for on eBay to find it. 3.7 volts. It's 70 millimeters long. This 719 number, that's Welch Allyn's product number, but they do not sell this individually. This is not a proprietary battery. So we start by taking the rheostat off, just normal threads there. And Welch Allyn does sell this bottom half for about $120, but we're going to go a step further, like I said, and replace just the cell inside. So we start by removing this bottom base. It's reverse threaded, so you're going to clockwise to loosen and set that aside. Now the two halves come apart. There's this little metal tab here. We want to keep all of this metal on the side of the circuitry, so you kind of put your finger in there and kind of pry the two halves apart. There you go. And as you do, this bigger ring is just going to fall right off. We'll put that aside, and you can see there's the cell, just like any normal battery. You kind of pry it out there, and here's the battery you bought on eBay, like I said, for $15. Just going to pop it in like any normal battery would. And we're going to put the two halves back together. We're going to take the big ring first. It has these three little notches. We want the threads up. That's what threads into the rheostat. So you take the bigger half here, and there's these little bumps here. This bump corresponds with the notch. So you line those two up, kind of fits in nice and tight. And then one-handed, kind of hold it like that. And in one motion, we're going to hook this part here and kind of bring the halves together. This can be a little tricky, but eventually pops back in. We grab this ring here. And again, we counterclockwise to tighten it. And the rheostat goes back on. And there we go. Just a less expensive way of refreshing all your handles.